4-6 strategy include related tags and hashtags. Another thing you'll want to include in your descriptions is hashtags. When you think of YouTube content, hashtags may not come to mind, but they're also part of a strategy you can employ to build viewership on your channel. Hashtags on YouTube work like other social media platforms, for example, Twitter and Facebook. When you click on a hashtag, it takes you to other posts that also use that same hashtag. Add hashtags to your description, and be sure to add tags in the tag box after uploading your video. Look for keyword variations with less competition, so you can stand out from the crowd. About 7 strategy, which is to add cards to cross-promote. Cards are a great way to cross-promote. You can place up to 5 cards in each of your videos and each will promote your videos or your playlists. It entices the viewer to check out more of your content while they watch your videos. 8 strategy. Utilize end screens as calls to action. An end screen, also referred to as an end card or end slate, is a YouTube feature that appears in the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. YouTubers can use their end screen to promote videos, playlists, merchandise, and external websites. Consider it your call to action. Keep it organized with playlists is strategy 9. First, playlists organize your content into themes where a visitor can have a pleasant experience finding and watching content that is centralized around a single thought or vision. Additionally, linking similar relevant videos into a single playlist helps with SEO and gives your channel a cleaner look. You can rearrange the playlists to make your channel look more organized as well and rank in order of importance. Add accurate closed captions, which is 10 strategy. Including accurately captioned videos will help rank your videos higher because search engines can crawl the caption text. The simplest solution to getting closed caption text is to send your videos to a professional video transcription service, or you can upload your own file. Additional benefits to including closed captions for your videos include better user engagement. A study performed by YouTube revealed that captioned videos earn 4% more views. Video accessibility. Viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing are now able to access your video content. Added credibility. Decreases your risk of being labeled as spam and losing search rank for your whole YouTube channel. Putting these YouTube channel tactics to the test, I couldn't tell you how to promote your YouTube channel without trying some of these tactics out first. These tactics are very important to every channel. And it help your channel to grow very quick. That it for today. Thank you for watching.